Hello, and welcome to Summarize Science. When we teach robots to perform tasks, how they see the world is critically important. Most of the time, robots are trained using anchor views, which are like third-person cameras watching from a distance. But for tricky, up-close tasks, like grabbing a specific tool, a wrist view camera mounted on the robot's arm is far superior. It gives the robot a first-person perspective, capturing all the fine-grained details of the interaction. The big problem is that collecting large-scale datasets with these wrist views is expensive and complicated. This has created a massive gap. We have tons of data from anchor views, but very little from the crucial wrist view. This holds robots back, making them less precise than they could be. To solve this, researchers have developed an incredible new system called WristWorld. WristWorld is a 4D world model that can generate realistic wrist view videos by only looking at the anchor view videos. It operates in two main stages, which you can see in this diagram. First is the reconstruction stage. Here, the AI analyzes the anchor videos to build a 3D understanding of the scene and the robot's arm. It then calculates the wrist's position and orientation, projecting a sort of 3D wireframe or point cloud map of what the wrist camera should be seeing. The second stage is generation. This stage takes that geometric map and uses a powerful video generation AI to essentially color it in. It synthesizes a temporally coherent, photorealistic video, adding all the textures, lighting, and semantic details to make it look like a real recording from the wrist. And the results are fantastic. As you can see here, the videos generated by their method, R's generation, are much clearer and more accurately aligned with the viewpoint than previous methods. They look strikingly similar to the actual ground truth video. But here's the most exciting part. It's not just about creating cool videos, it's about making robots smarter. The researchers took these artificially generated wrist view videos and used them as extra training data for a robot control policy. As shown in this table, the robot's performance on a series of complex tasks, measured by average, LEN, jumped significantly. They closed the performance gap between anchor view and real wrist view training by over 42%. This technology can even act as a plug-and-play extension for existing AI models, instantly giving them multi-view capabilities without needing to be retrained from scratch. So, let's recap what this all means. Researchers created an AI that can convincingly generate first-person wrist view videos for robots using only third-person footage. This synthetic data is so good that it dramatically improves the performance of other robot AIs, making them more dexterous and successful at their tasks. This is a huge deal because it allows us to upgrade massive, existing robot datasets without needing to collect any new, expensive data. In the future, technology like WristWorld could be key to unlocking the next level of robotic manipulation, giving robots the perceptive abilities they need to handle complex, real-world interactions. It's essentially giving robots an imagination, allowing them to see the world from a new perspective to better understand their actions. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.